Good morning, Honor Chem students. Mrs. Snyder here. It's been a while since I've done a daily message by video, so I'm making one today, letting you guys know that the tests are in. I don't have them graded yet. I looked at them today, or just now. It looks like everybody's multiple choice is in, with the exception of one or two of you, and I will be contacting you individually about making that up. The project, I got some emails and I checked my emails after hours yesterday, and I know some of you guys were having troubles with submitting. So I am going through today to look at and make sure that I can see everybody's video. It seems like it may only be a handful of you that had problems with giving me a live link, and if you've done you've sent me an email, I will contact you. I think I can grade. Maybe I'll end up, I was hoping I could submit into Schoology for you, but it doesn't appear like I can do that, like I can then turn it in. So I'll figure something out with that, and I'll just be contacting you guys. In terms of the multiple choice tests, I want you to know, guys, that I am so proud of you, that I know that this is hard. And maybe for some of you, your number is a little bit lower than what you would expect, or what you would wanted, or what is really what you would have in a face-to-face situation. And I realize that, and I recognize that. I don't want you guys to give up. This is the last unit that we have, and we are doing this. We're going to get through this. Do not worry if you didn't score as well as you wanted to. It is going to be okay. I am getting valuable information as far as what is happening here. And, we're going to make it through this. Absolutely, we are. As always, I am here. I'm telling you, this challenge that you guys are facing doing online learning is definitely something that the skills you're going to learn will help you in a future problem. You just don't know that yet. You don't know what that future problem is, but with my experience and having lots of problems in my life, I will tell you that this kind of thing is going to make you stronger, and you guys should be so proud of that you are doing so well, because you are, okay? So today, I want to just highlight that we're in chapter 18 and doing 2 days of equilibrium. And then we're going to get into our acid-base unit. As of right now, I have everything turned on, but I don't have a lot of content in here. So, don't necessarily go ahead and work ahead. I'm actually going to turn off access to these folders this morning. All that you need to do is to work into the equilibrium unit. There is no worksheet for today, but there is a daily lesson quiz that I want you to take. Also notice that I put the learning targets, and those are right here for the unit. And in today's lesson, there's 2 videos to watch. And what to just know about today's lesson, because it's actually designed by Miss Herring, and she does her Google Slides. If you want to click forward in this, you just basically are hitting the forward arrow button. Just read about this carbon monoxide poisoning. Not so important that you're taking notes on it. I did a demo, and it should say reactants here and products here. I have to tell you, I had a hard time with just my camera and the whole bit, so you guys can deal with that. This is a fun video to understand and to watch about chemical equilibrium. And then here are just the notes. So these would be notes that you would want to write down and take notes on. And that is it for the day. Like I said, you guys are doing extremely well. I'm very proud of you. I very much miss you all. I'm telling you guys, hang in there. And as always, I'm here between 9:30 and 3:30. If you have any questions, please just email me, reach out. We can do a Google Meet, okay? So hang in there. Talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.